right, and welcome back, everyone, to our Rice's Appliance Kitchen. We are here with Bethany and Anthony from Mimi, Brasserie and Speakeasy. I said
Beautiful.
it, and I can't believe I am focused on it with all of this amazing shrimp and freshness and all this great things. Tell me about your place, if you don't mind.
Yeah, so we're on Hillview Drive.
Okay.
It's actually a European brasserie, so this is way out of the zone from what we usually do. But since it's International Women's and we're going for that, we're doing a recipe from Bethany's mother, who's from Tamaulipas, Mexico.
Okay.
Wow. It's south of Texas.
Why is this recipe so special to you?
You know, I grew up eating a lot of these flavors, a lot of these peppers, chamoy, tamarind, and tahini, and it's just very nostalgic for me, as well as very tasty.
All right, well, prove it.
So first, the most important part, this is chamoy.
Okay.
This is made from blending apricots with arbol chilies.
Oh, wow. So it's sweet,
it's
tangy?
sweet, savory, tangy.
Okay. And what was that you
This is
ribbed it out
tahini.
with?
It's just like pimento peppers and everything.
Have you made a cocktail with a rim like that as well?
We do, yeah.
I was thinking margaritas.
My favorite thing is margaritas.
Like, don't waste that.
Sounds
This is a
amazing.
great idea.
Yeah.
So talk to us. You're obviously putting shrimp in here. We talked about the type of shrimp that this is. Tell me about that.
We're fans. This is a red Argentine shrimp.
And why is that so important?
When you slightly blanch them, they have like this lobstery flavor. If you cook them like we were talking about too much, you really lose that.
And the texture is
Exactly.
lobster-like as well.
It's just so soft and delicate. It's perfect for a crudo or a ceviche of this sort.
What are you adding to this?
We're doing
already perfect?
white onions, cucumbers, and tomato. We rinse the white onions to kind of get that acid off so it's not overpowering.
And skin the cucumbers.
Skin the cucumbers.
All right. Is there a reason behind that, other than
it just has fibers, and sometimes it can just be a little bit harder to chew. So
I love that you're always committed to the perfect, cute presentation. Like, no matter what you order, the presentation is always so gorgeous.
Could you tell if one shrimp from another, could you taste this and say, oh, that's an Argentine shrimp?
Absolutely.
You can, yeah. Once you try it, you're going to know.
Sorry, Linda. This is like our treat that we splurge on this type of shrimp. You know, it's such a good shrimp.
Oh, yeah. So in this base, or made it previously, it's a clamato base.
Okay. Tell people what that is.
So clamato is a Mexican thing, but it's actually invented in Canada. So it's kind of a, we're a Montreal wine bar as well. So it can blend. Maybe we'll run this one day at our restaurant.
If you don't mind?
It's tomato juice. It's Worcestershire, lime juice, orange juice, a blend of spices. A lot of these chilies like guajillo, arbol, and tomato juice. It's just a wonderful combination of things.
So it's
Think of
very
it.
spicy.
It's not spicy. I made this one a little bit easier on us,
So since it's Wine Down Wednesday, we have to kind of continue with the theme. We talked about the rim for margaritas. Bloody Marys could be made out of this too?
You can make a beautiful Bloody Mary
Asking for
out
a
of
friend,
this.
you know? Okay.
And one of the things we like to do in Texas is dip that shrimp in. And you have a nice little topping.
That's the money shot, Anthony.
And we always have it with saltine crackers.
Love.
And tostadas, just kind of like nice crunch. Just this on the beach, you have a great day.
Yes.
I have a feeling people are going to be asking for this. Bethany, what did you bring to pair with it? Tell us about this one.
So we have the Bory Champy Aligoté from Burgundy, France. So Aligoté is a grape that's kind of like Chardonnay's cool, fun cousin. So this wine has a lot of acid, some salinity, perfect to pair with this dish. Kind of gives it like an extra squeeze of like freshness and lime.
Awesome. Well, one of the things I love about your place is there's something for everybody. It's so versatile. It's wonderful. I love that you've paired this. You brought something light and wonderful. The thing that I love about it, like I said, so diverse. So if you want to get more information, you can go to mimisrq.com or just go check out the place yourself. It's incredible. Let's do a nice little toast out and cheers to everyone. Thank you, guys. Thank you for celebrating National Women's Day with us. International Women's Month. You guys have a wonderful day. Thank you for joining us.